Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Blue Chip Algo's YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, we are going to talk about a new indicator that we have launched recently. This is a premium indicator on our website called Trend Finder. Before we see what this indicator is and what's the speciality of this indicator, how to make use of this in our day-to-day trading life, in case if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and hit on bell icon, because we are going to bring a lot of other useful trading view indicators as well for you. So in case if you wish to receive updates, make sure that you subscribe and hit on bell icon. So you all know that bluechipalgos.com, this is our website where you have all algo tools and indicators. If you go to indicator section, we have launched this premium indicator. Okay, please remember, we do have premium indicator and free indicator. This is the premium indicator that we have launched recently. So we will talk about how to avail this, even premium indicators, how to avail for free and all we can discuss later. But first, let's see what this indicator is and how to make use of it in our day-to-day trading life. So you can see here that we have small dots or bubbles above each and every candle, and we also have some coloring to each and every dot that you see. At the same time, we also have a screener or a table at the top right, and what we have in the table is individual sectors and the overall direction of the market. One thing to note here is this is a very peculiar and very complex indicator. In the back end, there are so many calculations that are running, and we are taking the information from a lot of indices and even the global markets also to derive these values. Okay, so it's not just direction that we are deriving from the sectors. In addition to the sectors, we are also getting information from a lot of other areas. So how to read this is, first you have the sectors, and based on some complex calculations, you see whether they are bearish or bullish or neutral for each and every sector. And at the same time, you also see the overall direction of the market as well. Okay, and of course we also have given RSA, which are very helpful, because you get to know whether market is oversold or overbought zone also. Okay, now let's see what are the states that we have in each and every row. So we have 5 states. The first state is bearish. As you can see here, the first state is bearish, saying that the particular sector or overall market direction is pretty bearish, and you have to apply this on Nifty, because that is where we get the overall direction. But we will also see how we can make use of other sectors individually as well. So currently I selected Nifty, and you can see that the overall direction is bearish, and that's why you see red color dots on the top of each candle. And we also have something called green color, which says that the market is bullish. So if you see here, yesterday it has identified very early that the market probably is going to go up. It's in the bullish zone, and after people entered here, market actually went up quite a bit. So green color is bullish and red color is bearish. And let's now discuss about this aqua color or teal. What this aqua color says is, it says that the market is from neutral to bullish. Okay, so probably it comes just before bullish state, and it says that market is probably in a zone where you have to be alert, since it is probably going to enter into the bullish zone. And sometimes it might even go back to neutral also again, but this is like an alert zone, which says that market might enter into bullish zone. And at the same time, we also have orange dots as well. This is exactly opposite to aqua color. This says that market is in neutral to bearish zone. Okay, so while aqua color is neutral to bullish, this orange is neutral to bearish, and this purple color is the neutral zone. So it says that market is currently neutral. So you can see that yesterday for some time market is in neutral, and then it went to neutral to bullish, and then it went to bullish, right? So these are 5 states or 5 zones that we can see on the chart as well as in the table. And another thing worth mentioning is for the first few minutes, it will not give you any dot or color because it has to analyze the markets for the first 45 to 60 minutes, right? So at times it will be 45 minutes, at times it will be 50 or 60, and you need to make sure that it's like analyzing period for this indicator, and you don't get any signal in the first few minutes of every day. And this trend is purely intraday trend because we have given even weightages also in the back end. Weightage will be given to the most recent period, and that's the reason we always say that this trend is purely for intraday basis. So that's about the indicator, and you can apply this across any time frame. And we suggest you probably to apply it on 3 minutes or 5 minutes so that you can capture the trend early. But otherwise, you can also apply this on any candle. Finally, the application part, how to use this indicator. There are two applications. If you are an equity trader, you can make use of this indicator greatly. Let's say you want to enter into any stock, like a banking stock, for example. You have to check first of all how is that particular sector performing, which zone it is in, and then the overall direction. Okay, let's say you got a buy signal of State Bank of India from someone, or you are doing price action analysis and you got a buy signal. You already have one confirmation because that comes from your own analysis. Now the second confirmation is, look at the sector. If it is SBI, probably you can check in PSU bank. If it is some other bank, you can check it in finance sector, and first see whether it is also bullish or not. And the third confirmation is overall market direction. If these two are bullish and your own analysis also says bullish, the probability of profit is very huge. Okay, so that's something that you can do if you are an equity trader. And if you are an options trader, then you can make use of it in many ways because it clearly gives you the direction. Even if there is a reversal, it tells you the reversal, so you can adjust your positions based on that. You can take credit spreads or naked positions or non-directional, directional, whatever you want. Even if you are a discretionary trader who do a lot of adjustments also, this will phenomenally be useful because you get to know that market is in which zone, and based on that you can do adjustments, right? So especially for option traders, this is going to help a lot. And even for equity traders, they can check the trend of both the sector and the overall market direction. And finally, before we close out on the video, how to avail this indicator, right? So as I said, this is a premium indicator, not a free indicator, but still you can avail it for free. There are two ways of availing it. One is free and the second one is paid. So first let's discuss about paid. It's straightforward. You just have to go to the pricing page, and in the pricing page you can do the payment. After the payment, just contact us on our WhatsApp number. You know our WhatsApp number, you have it in the contact page, or we will leave it in the description, and we will give you access to this premium indicator. Okay, second one is how to avail it for free of cost. All right, so what we have done is, instead of you again paying 12,000 rupees plus GST, you can open a trading account in our referral ID, under our referral ID in LIS Blue or Angel Broking. Please remember, we only support two brokers, LIS Blue and Angel One. You can open an account and get this indicator for free, but please note, if anybody opens it only for the sake of account opening, we are not going to give you access. We will revoke the access. After you open the account, you just have to do your normal trading. Okay, so make sure that the account that you open will be used for your general trading purposes. If anybody opens an account just for the sake of indicators access, we do regular audits, and if we find that there is no trading activity, then we will revoke the access and will not be given again. Okay, so just make sure that's not the case, but otherwise you can absolutely get it for free. In fact, people who are opening an account and doing a general trading, they will have access to all the premium indicators, not just this trend finder. Okay, so that's a good news. So you can just contact us and take the referral ID, or in case if you already have an account also, you can let us know. We will see if we can shift that account. If it's an active account or an inactive account, that's okay. We will see if we can shift it under our franchise, and then you can start getting access to these indicators. So that's all we have in this video. Once again, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, hit on bell icon. You are going to see a lot of interesting stuff in future that we are developing. And otherwise, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.